Welcome to our fleet management system. Explore our company and discover our smart fleet management solutions designed to simplify modern fleet operations. Want to know more about our company? Visit the About Us section to learn more about who we are, our journey, and what we do. Explore our features section to discover the key capabilities of our platform, including fleet tracking, smart routing, automation, and other tools designed to simplify fleet operation. The performance section highlights how our platform helps businesses improve fleet efficiency, monitor operational performance, and make data driven decisions for better results. Security is a key part of our platform. Explore our security section to learn how we protect fleet data through secure access, encrypted communication, and reliable security practices. Stay updated with our blog section where you can explore useful fleet management insights, industry trends, technology updates, and practical information to help businesses manage their fleets more effectively. Need to know more or want to get in touch with us? Visit the Contact Us section to share your requirements, connect with our team, and learn more about how our fleet management solution can support your business. Let's get started by logging into the fleet management system. After logging in, the fleet manager gets access to a centralized dashboard that provides a complete overview of fleet operations. The dashboard gives quick visibility into vehicles, drivers, trips, and overall fleet performance. Starting with vehicle management, managers can view and manage the complete vehicles from one place. Key information such as vehicle availability, running vehicles, recently added vehicles, and maintenance related alerts can be monitored at a glance. The vehicle list provides a complete inventory of registered vehicles along with important information such as registration details, vehicle type, status, and availability. Managers can easily search, filter, and access individual vehicle profiles whenever required. Adding a new vehicle is simple and structured. Managers can enter basic vehicle information, technical specifications, registration details, and other required information. The system also supports document uploads, allowing important vehicle documents like RC, insurance, pollution, fitness, permit, and road tax. Once vehicles are added, the fleet inventory provides a consolidated view of the entire fleet. Managers can quickly identify available vehicles and review important vehicle information without navigating through multiple screens. Next is driver management. Managers can view all registered drivers, their assignment status, availability, and other relevant information. This makes it easier to identify available drivers and efficiently manage driver allocation across the fleet. Managers can easily add a new driver by entering the required personal and professional information. The system allows them to provide details such as name, contact information, date of birth, address, joining date, driver location, license number, license type, issue date, expiry date, and other required compliance information can also be added. Once all the required details are entered, the manager can save the driver profile and add the driver to the fleet. Moving to trips management, managers can monitor the complete trip lifecycle from a single interface. Trip status, routes, assigned resources, drivers, and operational information can all be viewed in one place. The trips list provides a centralized view of scheduled, active, completed, and other trip statuses. Managers can quickly identify the current state of every trip and take action when required. When creating a new trip, The manager can select the starting location, destination, departure time, estimated arrival time, cargo weight, cargo type, and additional trip details. Based on the selected starting location, the system automatically fetches the available drivers and vehicles from that current location, making resource allocation faster and more efficient. Once all the required details are entered, the manager can create the trip. The newly created trip is then available in the trips list, where its status and details can be monitored. After creating the trip, the manager can assign the selected vehicle and driver and dispatch the trip successfully. The assigned driver receives the required trip information, including the route, vehicle, departure time, and cargo details. This ensures that the right vehicle and driver are assigned to the right trip and helps streamline the overall trip execution process. After dispatch, managers can continue monitoring the trip from the live tracking screen. This provides visibility into active trips and helps the fleet team keep track of ongoing operations.